We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Troubleshooting. Try the following to improve your internet connection. Step 1. Try using an Ethernet cable to directly connect your PS4 trademark to your modem or router. Step 2. If you are using a Wi-Fi connection, place the PS4 trademark and the router closer together, and make sure there are no obstructions between them.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.